Hey everyone, welcome to the Honest Straight Review channel where I tell you the truth about products, straight to the point. In today's video, I'll give you a direct and honest review of a product that's been getting a lot of attention lately, ZenCortex. Does it really work? Is it worth your money? Watch until the end and find out everything you need to know. ZenCortex is a natural hearing support formula designed to help people who suffer from hearing loss, ear ringing, tinnitus, or general ear health decline. According to the manufacturer, this supplement uses a blend of plant-based ingredients and essential nutrients to improve hearing by supporting the brain-ear connection. It also claims to improve cognitive function, eliminate noise and ringing in the ears, restore sharp hearing naturally, and even protect against age-related hearing damage. Here are some benefits I found while testing and researching ZenCortex. All natural ingredients, including ginkgo biloba, bacopa, and Korean ginseng. No chemicals or stimulants, easy to use, just one drop daily applied directly into the ear. Targets the root cause of hearing issues by improving brain function and circulation. Thousands of positive reviews from real users on the official site claiming better hearing, less ringing, and even improved sleep and memory. Manufactured in the USA in an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility, overall, it seems well formulated with a clean ingredient list. But it's not perfect. Here are some downsides only sold online through the official website. You won't find it in pharmacies or stores. Results may vary. Some people report changes in a few weeks, others take longer. Not a miracle cure. It supports ear health, but won't instantly reverse severe hearing loss. So manage your expectations and give it time. So what's my honest take? If you're struggling with mild to moderate hearing issues, tinnitus, or just want to protect your hearing naturally, ZenCortex could be a great option. It's safe, natural, and has good reviews backing it up. But if you expect instant results or suffer from advanced hearing loss, this may not be enough alone. I'd recommend it for anyone looking for a natural, non-invasive solution to support ear and brain health. My final score, 8.5 out of 10. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment below with your experience or questions, and subscribe so you don't miss our next honest reviews. The official link to ZenCortex is in the description below. Always buy from the original site to avoid scams. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Hey everyone, welcome to the Honest Straight Review channel where I tell you the truth about products, straight to the point. In today's video, I'll give you a direct and honest review of a product that's been getting a lot of attention lately, ZenCortex.